The YPG are among those who know this international jihadist organization the best.
All
these documents have been found on dead Daesh fighters. There are Iraqi ID cards. This one was Tunisian. This is a Bahraini passport. This one is a Libyan passport. And that lot are from Turkey.
A familiar story. Documents taken from the Al-Nusra Front, another extremist group operating in the region, show many of their fighters are of Turkish origin. Others in Syria also pass through the country, as their stamps show. But the presence of Turkish military dog tags is even more concerning.
During an operation in Hasakeh, we took these Turkish military badges as part of a cachet from the Islamic State organization. I don't know what they were doing there, but it's a question we're asking ourselves.